Creating music with the help of robots and artificial intelligence, AI, has become an exciting and innovative field in music production. AI-powered robots and software can assist in various aspects of music creation, including composition, performance, and even music generation. Here are some ways in which robots and AI are involved in music creation. AI-generated music. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets of existing music to generate new compositions. This includes generating melodies, harmonies, and even full pieces of music. Companies like OpenAI have developed models like MuseNet that can compose music in various styles and genres. Robotic musicians. There are robots and robotic systems designed to play musical instruments. These robots can be programmed to play a variety of instruments, such as pianos, drums, and guitars, with precision and consistency. Automated beat making. AI-powered software can generate drum patterns and beats automatically. Musicians can use these generated beats as a foundation for their compositions and then build upon them. AI-enhanced music production. AI tools can assist in the mixing and mastering of music. They can analyze audio tracks and suggest improvements to achieve better sound quality. Some AI software can even simulate the sound of different recording environments. Real-time music generation. AI systems can generate music in real time, responding to live input from human musicians. This allows for dynamic and interactive performances where AI responds to the human musician's cues. Collaborative composition. Musicians and composers can use AI as a creative collaborator. They can input partial compositions, and AI systems can generate suggestions for the rest of the piece or provide creative inspiration. Music recommender systems. AI-driven music recommendation systems like those used by streaming platforms analyze user preferences and behavior to suggest songs and playlists tailored to individual tastes. AI DJ systems. AI-powered DJ software can analyze music library. AI-generated lyrics. AI can assist in generating song lyrics based on themes, emotions, or styles provided by the artist. Music visualizations. AI can generate visualizations that synchronize with music, creating immersive and dynamic visual experiences for live performances or music videos. It's important to note that while AI and robots can be powerful tools in music creation, they are often used in collaboration with human musicians and composers. Many artists use AI as a source of inspiration or as a tool to assist in their creative process. The combination of human creativity and AI's computational power has the potential to push the boundaries of music composition and performance in exciting ways.